Hello guys, good day and welcome to another brand new video. This should be a brand new weekly update. This should be episode 22. I hope so. But how are you guys doing? How have been your week? How are you enjoying it? Hope you guys love what we have been posting for you on this channel. So last week I post towards the ending of the video. There's this Aso-Oke bag I make, like more or less like a purse, and I talk about it that I will be showing you. So I will be showing it in details in this particular week update, and some Aso-Oke bag will be making. So by the way, I'll just be showing you not the full process, but how it is being made and how the progress in the shop is going. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. And there are some that are watching this video, keep coming back to watch. Thank you guys for keep coming back. But you can do us a favor by subscribing to the channel. It costs you nothing to subscribe to the channel. What it can even cost you is for you to gain more. When we upload a new video, you get notified. So for those of you who have been here for a long week, thank you guys, and we appreciate you guys for watching the video, for subscribing to the channel, for leaving your comments, giving us feedback, and for everything you have been doing. I always say my love goes to all of you. So and if you do enjoy this video I'll be posting, please make sure to watch it to the end. If you do enjoy, you give it a giant thumbs up. So by the way, let's go inside and I will show you what we have been up to. So by the way, on the decks, as you can see, we have been working on some projects, some bag I will be making, just like this bag you are seeing here, the smaller one, that particular one there. So I'm making something related to it with Aso-Oke. So this is it here. We have started working on it. So by the way, I will turn the camera now so that you can see it clearly, and I will show you in details. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the basic illustration and the design of the bag I'm talking about. So, and by the way, I've started making it. It's just something like this, exact the same size of this, but with Aso-Oke. This is a African fabric, printed fabric, but I'm using Aso-Oke instead in this situation. So yeah, Aso-Oke and denim, which is a jeans material, I'm mixing it. So this is what I've started for days now, but didn't get to vlog. So this is everything for you guys. But as we continue the video, I'll be updating you how everything is going. And by the way, I just came to the shop now this morning. It was late already, but not late like that. This is just 10 o'clock for me to continue where I stopped. So I think this is the hand. This is the two side, as you can see. This is the front cover and the front lid, and this one you are seeing here, there's something I will be doing to it, so I will be showing you once we started. And this is the main body frame of the bag. How beautiful this Aso-Oke is. Wow, first of its kind on the channel. So what do you guys think? If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. If you have any project you want me to work on, please feel free to leave it as well. So for those of you who have contacted me and want me to do some projects, I will try as much as possible, find a time, and so we can make the project, and I will show you the process of making it. So I think now I will proceed to making the rest of the bag. Not once I'm done, but as I proceed, I will be showing you the updates and let you guys know how it's going. And this is another particular one. I showed this in last week updates, the previous week before this. This is more of like a purse and a bag as well, and that is the diagram on the body. The diagram is still there. I've not cleaned it. I showed it in the last week update. So this is the bag, and let me show you the inside of the bag. I used a lining that make it to look attractive. You know, the way I make my bag is not just the outside that will be attractive, but the inside as well, so that when you open your bag, people will love it, and the outside as well, people will also love it. It has a bag sitting fits. So those are the accessories I'm using for this particular one I'm making, and these are some pieces for the Aso-Oke. Here are some again, so I will still be proceeding to making the rest. It's not just one bag I'm making more. So as you can see, here are some material here I will be using for the rest of it, but I will keep you updated. Thank you guys for watching. For those of you who have not subscribed, please, it costs you nothing to subscribe. Yeah, thank you very much as you click the subscribe button, and bye for now. See you at the other side. So welcome back, guys. This is the process, the progress we've made so far. So I've done the side and put the side extension, then put the vivet material inside the vivet, then the same thing, vivet material here, and the front cover has been attached to the main body frame, as you can see. So the back pocket, again, I've finished the pattern and everything. Then the back fit is already inserted, the hand has been inserted as well, and the front cover, and the front cover has been covered with the rivet lining. Then the back one will be covered now, then there will be a pocket there. So that's just it. I hope you guys will understand the process like this and the way I'm making it. So which one do you prefer within that and this? Let me know in the comment section, and let me proceed to finishing the bag. So I will show you and we'll talk more about it. So this is it. I've finished applying all the rivets to it, so it's now left for me to assemble the side. So I'll be using my clip to hold the side down. So once I start sewing it, I'll be removing one after the other. You should do that to fit it and know what is wrong before you proceed, because it might be long, so that you know how you sew. But if you do not fit it, it's going to give you a headache. So I would fit it now and show you guys how it's looking. So this is what I mean by using your clip to hold it down, as you can see. So if you check a little bit, it's a little bit longer the side, but it doesn't mean so. Well, when I start sewing, like this space you are seeing here is what caused that. Once I balance it, it's going to be accurate, and from the bottom as well, as you can see, you see the space. So that is it. But from top here, I'm going to bring it down a little bit so that it's going to give me what I require once I finish the bag. So I will be showing you guys everything and the procedure. And I don't think this week video is going to be long, since I've take my time to explain this bag and use this week update to talk about this bag. So but once I finish now, we'll talk more about the bag and the measurement. There are people that are asking for the measurement. It's the one we've done previous, but I'll still talk about the measurement so you guys understand, and we shall see. So hello guys, morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. So yesterday I said when I finish the bag, I will talk more about it. So I later finish it, but then get to finish the video and vlog about it. But this is the end product of the bag, as you can see actually. So this is the next morning. I just came to the office now to check. So I used something to package the inside yesterday, so I can let it to dry and maintain its shape. So I just want to remove it now, and that is what I'll be doing right now. Sorry, I'm using one hand to hold the camera, and so as you can see, this is the inside of the bag. It has a pocket inside, just one pocket, as you can see, this particular one. Then it has another pocket at the back, this one, with a D-ring at the side for a long strap if you want to carry a long strap. And here is it. I hope you guys love it and find this video helpful when you are making yours. Wow, I find it difficult to close this since I'm using one hand, or this is the bag for you guys. I hope you guys love this video. If you have any comment, if you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try as much as possible to answer that question and give you the hints on it. By the way, this particular bag and this we make is of the same measurement and the same type. Just what is different there is just the front lock and the hand. The hand is a little bit more longer than this, so that doesn't mean anything. I hope you guys love it. So this is where we'll be ending this particular video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get updates on interesting video as this one you are seeing now. And tutorial will be coming on it as well, the process of making it, not just showing half of it the way we do in this week update. So stay tuned. For those of you that are our OG that have subscribed to the channel, please leave in the comment section below what you think, and give this particular video a giant thumbs up. And I think that is all for now. We'll see you in the next one, and this is the one I make before this, so I've showed this earlier in the video. So that's it for you guys, and there are some we'll be making as well, and I hope we'll be making video on it. But let me show you a sneak peek if I'm not going to be making video. As you can see, this is another one, but this is a little bit different to this. So thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.